Thank you for looking after us, Miss Russell. Dear Miss Russell, I love you. Dear Miss
Congratulations, Charlotte. Hope you have a lovely Christmas and good luck in your new job. See you soon.
Public and nurseries newydd.
Diolch am gyd o pethau hwyl.
Diolch, Miss Russell. I hope you see. Mwah. Catty, love you. Good Russell. Good luck. Diolch am Papa.
Miss
Russell.
thrussell.
Pob. Look. Diolch yn fawr, Miss Russell. Pob lwc yn y swydd newydd. Everyone is gonna miss you so much. Come back to see you. Bye. Thank you, Miss Russell, for all your help. We will miss you. Diolch yn fawr for everything, Miss Russell. Can you see? Bye. Diolch, Miss Russell, hwyl fawr. Hwyl fawr, Miss Russell. Hwyl fawr, Miss Russell. Mae'n amser dweud hwyl fawr. Hi, Miss Russell. I hope you have a good lap. I hope you have a good job. I hope you have a good Christmas. And thank you for teaching me in Kill. And I hope you have a good Christmas. You're okay, happy, Mrs. Russell. Hwyl fawr. Diolch, Miss Russell. Hwyl fawr, Mrs. Russell. Pob lwc, hwyl fawr. Diolch, Miss Russell.
And
Thank you.
pob lwc.
Bye, Miss Russell. I will miss you. Ta-ta, Charlotte. Bye, Miss Russell. I miss you. I miss you. Bye. For all the stuff. Bye. Thank you. Bye. Thank you for all the stuff. And thank you for that green tail. Okay.
Hwyl fawr.
Bye. Miss Russell. Diolch, teacher. I love you, Miss Russell. Bye bye.
Say good luck.
Good luck. Thank you for looking after me at Kill. I love you. Diolch am pob peth.
Hi, Miss Russell. This is me and Vi. We just want to say good luck with your new role, your new job. We wish you all the best. Thank you for looking after Violet. She's been a little madam, but she's been good at the same time. Thank you for everything. You've really helped me. Thank you for all the meetings that we had and all the support that you gave me with Violet. So just thank you very much for all that. And we will miss you, Violet.
I love you. I hope you get back tomorrow. Good luck.
Bye, Miss Russell.
Bye.
Good luck.
Diolch yn fawr, Miss Russell. Pob lwc. Yes, Mr. Russell. I will miss you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Diolch yn helpu fi, Miss Russell. Charity.
Diolch yn fawr, Miss Russell. Thank you so much for everything that you've done. You are absolutely amazing. Diolch.
Diolch.
We'll miss you.
We miss you. Diolch fawr, Mrs. Russell. Yeah. Fi'n hoffi Miss Russell darllen stori. Subject. Subject. Diolch yn fawr. Katie. Diolch Miss Russell, I'll miss you.
Thank you, Miss Charlotte, for looking after me when I was little. And good luck.
Diolch Miss Russell am dy help di yn cylch. Hwyl fawr.
Hwyl fawr Miss Russell.